Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing the vlog series for the week, and we have a lot of stuff to go over. Found some very, very old prints. I started doing 3D prints back in 2018 or 2019. I know it was before COVID hit, and I had a very small little 3D printer in my office in the when I used to be in an apartment. And um, that was a long time ago. It's almost 2025 soon. And we have some of these old ones. These were for the Christmas special I was supposed to be doing, but we never got around when COVID hit. We just packed shit up, and we tried to do D&D games, but you know, it was a time that was very difficult for everyone. Especially a lot of my friends lost jobs and so forth. So we got a frost dragon that I just glued up. This is from Arch Villain. I already had like a certain amount of stuff that I used to do. Back then I used the Anycubic clear green back in the day. Then I did not like the translucent colors or the neon colors due to the fact that it wasn't that great overall for it. But we have a lot of stuff that we are going to be painting for and scheduling for December. So we got, I think this is Loaf, I believe, that I probably end up going to be painting. This one's was part of the Arch Villain one, and I don't know how. I think it's like this. It comes out like this for it, but it's a big ass strider. Might be Loaf. I don't know. We got some walruses and some war bears and stuff. It's kind of hard to see because it's translucent green. And there's the abominable snow yetis for it, and we got walrus right here as well. And I found that we have a Etten, a very big Etten without his arms. So hopefully I'm able to find the arms for it. If not, I'm just going to chuck it in as part of a statue and just make it, stone, granite like color, stuff like that. But we have an Etten. I'm surprised I don't have a snow giant in here, but that's fine. But we have a solid piece of like ice terrain that was part of the dragon, but this is a very solid piece. So I gotta figure out if I'm gonna make this into a terrain or I'm gonna chuck in the trash for it. But we have a couple of foams and stuff that we can use. Probably do a diorama. I really don't know. Let me know down in the comments how you guys want to do it. This is going to take a while, probably a 2 day for the dragon to be done. I'll be spending several hours on it tomorrow and the last few hours on Thursday because Thursday I have a big doctor's appointment that I have to go to for that. We have a lot more anime proxies that we are going to be painting. So we got a Banshee anime Banshee proxies. We have 82B as one of the Battles of Sisters. We're going to be working on that. We'll be doing a lot more of stuff for Warhammer. After I'm done with this print, paint this box of it, we're going to go back to the regular Warhammer stuff that I need to paint. I still have a shitload of others to finish up. I'm done. I have one Blood Angels, Dante, I have to paint. They have a shitload of Old Worlds and a shitload of Orcs from 40k. A shitload of Age of Sigmar I have to paint and get that done and over with for that to be, just taken care of for that. But other than that, school's good. I put a short out. Hopefully come out this week or not. What I'm doing in school. I am working the lathe, and also I burned myself really bad with a glue gun working on Ashley Stairs for a Halloween game for it. So that's kind of fun. Hurts like hell, but it's scabbed already for that thing. I sometimes I forget how gravity works, especially late at night. I just want to just sit back and relax and just just take it in many other ways. I am going to be working on my PS3, my new backwards compatible PS3. Just got the new Blu-ray drive, and I got a terabyte hard drive I'm going to put in, and I got to do a whole bunch of other stuff for this office as well. It's slowly getting cleaned up and getting done. I got to work on that tank. It's still empty. Um, but my other tank with the goldfish and the turtles are doing fine. It's kind of getting a lot bigger. I might end up putting it up for Craigslist or Facebook. See anyone has a pond that they own and they want giant goldfish in their pond. Um, because I cannot afford another. If it's gonna be 16 inches and there's like 7, 8 of them, I'm probably gonna end up needing 500-gallon tank, and 500-gallon tanks are ridiculously expensive in many of the ways for it. Majority of the STL files are up. I got to do the last two for this month, and let's see what we got here. And we don't have much to go on right now. Not much comments. People are asking certain things. I commented back for it. Uh, Subscriber rate's doing good. The shorts are doing a lot better than before. And that's pretty much it. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. I hope you guys have a great day or evening right now. Take care. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.